Well, good morning, everybody. We made it through the night. It was a little bit chilly for only one blanket. It was alright though. I stayed up most of the night stoking the fire and laying down for a half hour, stoke the fire, lay down for a half hour. Didn't get much sleep, but here we are, ready to do some fishing again. River's looking good. I gotta do a couple lure rescues this morning. I got one right out there in the water, hanging from a tree out there with my fishing pole still hooked to it. Figured last night when I threw it over that tree, we'll wait till the morning. I can walk out there and get it. I got another one down here to get too, but first we gotta have us some coffee. So I got some water boiling. Water boiling there to drink and water boiling there to clean my pan. Then we'll put this fire out, pack up camp, and get to fishing. We got all camp packed up. Right there in my bag. I'm gonna leave my bag right there for a little bit. I'm gonna wander, my vehicle's that direction, so I'm gonna leave my bag there. I'm gonna wander down that direction. Down there's where I caught that big fish yesterday. And I'm gonna, I don't know, fish for a half hour that way. Then I'm gonna come back this way and head towards the vehicle. And then probably gonna just put my bag in the vehicle and then continue fishing. It is, I'd say, a little after 8. Let me get my phone out. Oh, it's 8:46. So yeah, I'll go down this way for a while, come back this way, pick up my bag, head to the fish all the way back to the vehicle because it's like a mile upriver, and then ditch my bag and continue fishing to hopefully eat something. Maybe I'll eat something at lunchtime at the vehicle, or I don't know. Anyways, we got a long day of fishing. Let's do it. Let's catch a monster. Still looking for that 20-inch fish. So the one yesterday was borderline. I don't really know. I might have a tape back in my vehicle. I can check, but I don't know for sure. Well, see you guys out there when I catch a fish. So, we got an update. It's 2:30. Fishing has been terrible. I've caught a few little ones, as you guys will see. Nothing worth keeping to eat. Starting to get a little hungry. Haven't eaten nothing all day yet. All I had yesterday was a piece of chicken before I left. And then that fish I ate with you guys. I can feel it getting a little weak. But I'm gonna go down for another 2 hours. I gotta make it to 4:37, I think. Something like that. So I'm gonna take a little break here at the vehicle. And then rest my feet. Really, my feet are tired as hell. Walk around in these boots. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a 10-15 minute break. And then I'm gonna head back down to the river and try to fish some more for a couple more hours. Stay tuned, see what happens. Whew. Back at it after my little break, and I finally land something. Well, it's not landed yet, but I got something that's worth my time. Boom, that could be. I don't know, I got less than an hour left. Do I even wanna? By far the best fish of the day, but since how there's only an hour left, I don't think I'm gonna cook him. His tail's all beat up. The very next cast. I might be onto something. Might have found something they like. This is just a little 4-inch fish, but a bite's a bite. Here you go. Oh, another one. 3 casts in a row. I think I'm onto some. It took me all day to switch to silver. I'll never know. It's because gold worked all day yesterday. This one here is real dark. I'm gonna make it 4 in a row. Hell, let's cast up here in a different spot and see. Ah, that was a terrible cast. Oh, that was a hit though. That was a hit. Oh, see? I told you it was a hit. I don't know if you guys seen that. The camera was low. He jumped right out of the water as soon as the hook hit him. Dang, there's another one. We're definitely onto something. There's another decent one. A little bit smaller than the last one. Nice. Yeah, that's like 5 fish and 6 or 7 casts. Hey, let's keep that up. I might stay out here longer than 4:30 if that keeps happening. Call me crazy. Maybe I should have kept one to eat. We're going right back up in there. Not a hit that time. I noticed the last couple days I've been finding all my fish out in the middle of the river, not in any of the big holes, just out in the middle of the river. Feeding on bugs. That thing. It's got eyes. It looks like an eel, but it's got a big old fat head. I'm scared to touch it. Hey, what is it? I mean, it's an eel of some sort, but I've never seen one like that. Holes in the side of his head. Yep, Silver's the one today. Look at this tough little guy. Hit himself right through the face. It is 4:42. I officially made it. Well, I still got another half hour walk back to the car, so yeah, let's do it. Out of here. Time to head home and get some dinner. Can't wait. I don't even know what I'm cooking yet. Well, we made it back. If I would have been staying another night, I think I would have been in pretty good shape. I caught 3 keepers. I would have kept at least 2, if not all 3, if I was staying one more night, because I didn't eat it all today. So Time to head home. Boy, I'm sore from walking around all day. Quite the journey I was on today and yesterday. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more content, subscribe, and there will be weekly posts of me doing adventures. Thanks for watching Kirk's Outdoors Adventure, and I'll see you on the next one.